I can talk from my personal experience. As an engineer, how I evolved, I can recollect it this way. So one thing is online forums. Back in the days when I was in college also, there used to be forums like Hacker News, which is a very popular one, which I still use on a daily basis probably. I go to the Hacker News and look up all the last week's top rated entries and then read through it, go through it. That's a habit of me, habit I've developed over time, and I still have it with me. There you will get a wide range of, not just technology, in fact, you will get a wide range of topics being discussed by people all around the world, which is one place I would suggest to every student, not just student, a working professional also, who needs to like broaden their horizon of or knowledge about the technology. You need to follow Hacker News. Hacker News is an excellent single channel, single source for getting up-to-date information about technology and whatnot. Second thing you can do is, so as a student, for gaining some sort of experience, you will definitely have to work on projects. I used to do that when I was a student. And then while working on projects, you will definitely, in this day and age, you will definitely use open source technologies, open source software. Why don't you just start contributing and be part of their forums, discussions and community? There also they will, if it is an actively developed open source, like let's say library or a tool, they will definitely be at the cutting edge. They will be going towards where that particular technology and the surrounding area is progressing. So that's one way you can be up to date on one technology, or let's say a set of technologies. So these are two major things I would recommend for young professionals as well as students who aspire to be up to date on a technology. One, follow forums online. Hacker News, I would suggest one, Hacker News, from where you can get multiple know-how, information, news from technology as well as outside. Second thing is, use open source software and try to be active or participate in their communities, forums. There you will find people, meet people and people who are up to date on the cutting edge of technologies, what they are working on, etc. And as an add-on, I would suggest, for me, Twitter has worked out very well. I am an embedded systems engineer, so in the beginning I used to develop PCBs, printed circuit boards, and I used to use an open source software called KiCad. I still use KiCad. It was in a way, it was having very rough edges. It was a project like that during when I started back in 2014. So I joined their forum, I joined their community. I started following people in Twitter who actively contributed to KiCad. So they will be regularly posting about KiCad, how that software is evolving, what their future milestones are, and also touch upon things which are needed for PCB designing. So what are the design principles, what are the standard practices, etc. So following that kind of a cohort, in having that kind of a set of people in Twitter, I was able to learn a lot. And it has got the network effect also. So once I follow somebody who is very active and talking about one subject, they will be commenting, they will be reposting about posts and topics they come across in Twitter, which will definitely add value to us. And I started following other people, and over a time, and that too a really short period, probably 3 to 6 months, I was having a great group of people, profiles that follow in Twitter. I still follow them. It helps. It has helped me. It even helps now immensely in being up to date on technologies that I use.